Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a recursive function that can find the factorial of any integer that you input. So with the code, we're going to include IO stream to your input output stream. We're going to include using namespace cd, so we can use functions such as cout and etc. So here's the function itself. It's going to take a variable of an integer variable. So it's going to take an int variable, and so as long as p, the variable input, is not less than 1 or is greater than 1, and we're gonna return what's it called, the function to itself. And how we're gonna return the function to itself is we're gonna say return, and since we're doing factorial, and since factorial is, let's say for example 3 factorial, just calling this up, 3 factorial is 3 factorial will be 3 times 2 times 1, that's 3 factorial. So we're gonna multiply, let's say now we're gonna calculate 3 factorial. It's gonna be 3 times the function itself is factorial, and then p minus 1, so it's going to be 2 basically. So every time it's like whatever is going back into p, it's going to be decreased. So it's going to be 3, then 2, then 1. So every time the function runs, it's going to be 3, p is going to be 3, then 2, then 1. But keep in mind at the same time we're also multiplying it with the previous number. So it's going to be 3 times 2, then 2 times 1. It's going to be like 6 times 1, which is going to be 6. So yeah, this is why we have the minus 1 in front of the p. I left the comment here, subtracting the value of p that's inserted every time the function would run till we get 0, and the function stops. So once p is either 1, so it doesn't matter if it's 1, because if it's 1, anything multiplied by 1 will give you the same number. So else return 1. So yeah. So here's I'm just using cin, which is console input, to input the number I want to find the factorial for. So let's say for example, let's try 3 right now, so the answer should be 6 for 3, so let's just try 3. So 3, so the answer is 6, which is correct. And then what you're saying 6 could be a lucky guess, so let's try factorial of 10. All I know I had the 8880, so yeah, there we go. And then yeah, so also factorial of 10, you can try this on calculator, it should give you the same answer. So yeah, so the function works, but yeah, just remember these two parameters. If this was 0, it would create a mess where like it multiplies p by 0, so that your whole answer would be 0. So this is very crucial. And else return 1. If you press return 0, it's gonna multiply your function by 0, giving you 0. So don't, actually you can return 0, because I'll just show you guys, right? You could actually return 0. Okay, let's try it again. 3. Yeah, so as I was saying, if you return 0, it's gonna multiply your function by 0. So it's very crucial that this should be 1. So yeah, that was. So let me just like do it again. Yeah, our function works. So yeah, so this should be 1. So if 0, anything multi by 0 is 0. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.